Hi everyone, welcome to my page. Today is day 5 of Mental Health Awareness Month in 2022. Another category of grounding techniques is called soothing techniques. Remember that grounding techniques are a way to essentially distract your brain from whatever thoughts keep running through your mind that you can't seem to turn off. So one type of soothing technique could be making a list of your favorites. List 3 of your favorites in as many categories as you need to in order to distract yourself. For example, maybe the top 3 foods that you love to eat, the top 3 books you've read, 3 top movies, 3 favorite places to go, 3 of whatever, 3 favorite people in the world, 3 best qualities of those 3 favorite people as to why you love them. Just keep going on and on with the lists until you find yourself in a place that is calm. Another soothing kind of technique that can ground you is practicing self-kindness. Just like you would speak to somebody else who is struggling and you would be supportive and come at them with kindness, do that with yourself. Say some of the following phrases to yourself, whether you say it out loud or within your head, and repeat them as many times as you need. You're having a rough time, but you will make it through. You're strong and you can move through this pain. You're trying hard and you're doing the best you can. Just continue to give yourself as many positive statements that you would give to somebody else if your friend or family member was struggling. Think about what you would say to them. Maybe write it down and put these positive self-talk phrases on an index card and put it someplace safe so that if you are struggling and you're not able to remember what to do, you can just pull out the index card and read from the card. There are so many different grounding techniques out there, and if these are not the right ones for you, that's okay. Keep adding different techniques to your toolbox because if one isn't working, it may work on another day. If you don't have one that's working, you can always try another one. So just keep adding the different tools to your toolbox in case you're in a place where you actually need them. Then remind yourself that it's okay to not be okay in a given moment. And I want to remind you that you are not alone. And it is okay if you need to seek treatment from a professional. There's no shame in that. Some people still feel ashamed for reaching out to a professional. If you were sick with the flu, would you go to the doctor? Possibly. So you wouldn't feel bad about doing that. You shouldn't feel bad about taking care of your mental health. Your mental health should be your priority. And if seeking help from a professional to help you do that, whether it's speaking with a counselor or meeting with a psychiatrist and potentially getting on some medication to help you, that's okay. Once you get your mental health in check, or where you can cope with it and manage it with whatever strategies work for you, then you can live a much better and happier life.